know if this is bad to say, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Hi guys, welcome back. I actually completely forgot that like a couple weeks ago I posted on my Instagram asking for you guys to let me know your assumptions about me, and I was like, shoot, I never actually answered those and I want to answer them. So I thought that today would be perfect. It's actually raining out right now. We were gonna film this in my living room, but I have like a skylight and the rain was like pattering down. Is that the right word? I don't know. It was just super loud and I was like, yeah, that's not gonna work. If you are new here, my name is Kat. You should subscribe. I do a ton of home lifestyle type videos, so if you're interested in that kind of a thing, you should definitely click that subscribe button before you leave this video and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and also follow your girl on Instagram at KatMadeTV. You are awesome, no assuming. I love that one. Thank you. That you've thought about being a model. There were definitely times when I was in like middle school where I was like, I'm gonna be a model when I grow up. But now I look back at the pictures that I would take and I'm like, oh my God, Kat, what were you thinking? Like, look at these. But never seriously actually considered being a model. You have always kept your room clean and you're very smart. Oh, you're so sweet. No. Well, no to the keeping my room clean. I like to think I'm smart. I don't know if this is bad to say, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. When I first started my YouTube channel, I was so not thinking that it would ever become like a cleaning and organization home type of channel. Actually, when I first started, it was like beauty videos. I had no idea that I was going to be going in this direction eventually, and it wasn't until my 10 ways to make your room look bigger video that I posted maybe 3 years ago, and that went up, like it's got like 2 million views now. It went, like, people seem to love it and they wanted, you guys kept saying how you wanted more room and home and organization type videos. It just kind of became, I don't know, like I just started making more cleaning, more organization type videos. And if you remember last year, this is another thing I haven't really talked about, I kind of started to like switch my channel away from home and cleaning and organization and more into like a lifestyle fitness channel. And I think that when I did that, it was kind of an impulsive reaction. I mean, I was just getting really into fitness, which again, I'm still really into. You know, it's still a huge part of my life, but at the time I felt like I had to make that what my YouTube channel was. And I didn't care to do cleaning and organization anymore because all I cared about was fitness and, you know, healthy lifestyle type stuff. And I definitely pushed all of those videos to the back burner, which looking back, I mean, I don't regret it because I did what I was really happy with at the time and like what I was passionate about. But I feel like since then, I've really kind of found more of that balance. I still want to share my life with you, and through like my vlog routine videos, which you guys always seem to really like I try and incorporate that fitness and healthy lifestyle part of my life into my videos. But I also love sharing my organization and cleaning and home videos. That's kind of what I developed my channel into, and I never want to stop making those kind of videos. You know, I just want to find a way to incorporate all aspects of my life into my channel so that we can really connect. And that's why I like doing more personal videos like this sometimes too, because I can actually sit down and explain all of this to you. To go back and answer the original question, no, I was not always a super clean person. I feel like as my channel started to develop, I've really grown with y'all. A lot of you guys tell me that, you know, I became such a cleaner video person after watching your videos, or I finally gained the skills to keep my room clean and organized, and makes me so happy. But I also want y'all to know that like I'm on this journey with you. I didn't just, you know, snap my fingers one day and become clean, and I'm still not a super clean, super organized person, but I feel like I'm a lot better than I used to be. So we've all grown together. Just keep that in mind. You were healthy your whole life? Again, no. January of 2017 is when I like started my fitness journey, I guess, and like really started to get consistent with the gym and found what I really loved. And before that, one year for Halloween in like middle school or high school, me and my friends were the Spice Girls, and I was Sporty Spice as like a joke because I was so not sporty and so not athletic. If you didn't know, I am a vegetarian. I've been one for 12 years, and there were a few years there where I was super unhealthy. Being a vegetarian, you can have an extremely healthy diet, but if you don't pay attention and you don't do it right, it's also really easy to be super unhealthy. I went to the doctor, she told me I was anemic, so I really had to start focusing on getting more iron in my diet, you know, iron supplements, more spinach, more foods that are going to give my body the nutrients that it needs. So no, was not always healthy, but I'm a lot better than I was. You got good grades in high school and put in a lot of effort. So this is true for my junior and senior year. My freshman, sophomore year of high school, I feel like I was getting like C's. And then my junior year is when I really kind of made a switch and I started putting so much effort in. I got straight A's for most of that year. And after that, I started to really care about my grades and put in so much more effort than I ever did before that. I assume you are in love with Tim. Yes, I am. That would be true. If you didn't know, Tim is my boyfriend. I got a picture of us right here. I'll show you. This is us when we went to California. Is it focused? Focus. Oh, there we go. This is in California. A year ago, 2 years ago. Oh my God, that was like a year and a half ago. Wow. We've been together for 5.5 years, if you were curious. If you watched until this part, comment, I love the rain, because it's raining outside and I'm actually real happy about it. So comment, I love the rain, if you watched till this part. I love you guys so much. Again, thank you so much for listening and, you know, just taking part of your day to listen to me chat with y'all. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.